If you need to create accurate citations faster, Grammarly's citation generator can save you a ton of time right inside the editor. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it step by step, so you can add in-text citations and copy full references without leaving your document. This is especially helpful for essays, reports, research papers, and any assignment that needs proper source formatting. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your document in Grammarly Editor. Once your text is loaded, look over to the right-hand sidebar. That's where Grammarly keeps its writing tools and assistants. What you want to find is the Citation Finder icon. It looks like a magnifying glass over a book, so keep an eye out for that symbol. Click it to open the citation tool. After the Citation Finder opens, the next step is to choose your citation style. Grammarly gives you the main academic formats, including APA, MLA, and Chicago. Select the one your teacher, professor, or style guide requires. This part matters a lot because even if your citation is correct, the formatting still has to match the required style exactly. Once you choose your style, Grammarly will scan your document automatically. As it checks your writing, it highlights sections that likely need a citation. These highlighted areas usually indicate facts, quotes, or ideas that should be supported by a source. Take a moment to review the highlighted text carefully because not every highlight should be treated the same way. Now, hover your mouse over one of the highlighted sections. When you do that, Grammarly will show you a citation menu with your available options. This is where the tool becomes really useful because it lets you decide whether you want to insert a citation directly into the text or just copy the full citation for your references list. If you want a citation placed immediately into your paragraph, select Insert in-text citation. Grammarly will add the parenthetical reference directly into your writing in the correct format for the style you selected. This is a fast way to make sure your document looks professional and stays consistent throughout. If you're building your references page, choose Copy Full Citation instead. This copies the complete bibliographic entry to your clipboard so you can paste it into your bibliography, works cited page, or reference list. This is especially useful when you're collecting multiple sources and want to keep everything organized. A good tip here is to always double-check your citation after inserting it. Even though Grammarly makes the process easier, it's still smart to confirm that the source details, punctuation, and formatting match your assignment requirements. That extra check can save you from losing points on a technicality. Another helpful tip is to use Grammarly citations as a starting point, not your only source of verification. If you're working on serious academic work, compare the generated citation with your school's style guide or official citation rules to make sure everything is accurate. So to quickly recap, open the Citation Finder from the right sidebar, pick your style, review the highlighted sections, hover to reveal the citation options, and then either insert the in-text citation or copy the full citation. That's all it takes to use Grammarly's citation generator efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides, productivity tips, and writing tools explained in a simple way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.